We now offer a 2-spindle version of the HELITRONIC POWER 400 and the HELITRONIC POWER Diamond 400 as standard to our customers. This version is ideal for the volume production of standard and complex tools. The 2-spindle version operates with a 24 kW main spindle and a new HSK adaptation. Cycle times are reduced due to short travel distances between operations. This is what makes this machine the best solution for manufacturing tools in medium batch sizes. In addition to that, we have several more advantages in the standard scope of delivery. With the 2 spindles, we can incorporate up to 3 electrodes and 3 grinding wheels for the HELITRONIC POWER Diamond 400. Up to 6 grinding wheels on the 2 spindles for the HELITRONIC POWER 400 can be adapted. The max diameter for grinding wheels and electrodes can be up to 254 mm. For perfect and accurate positioning, the machines are equipped with glass scales. All of these advantages are in the standard scope of delivery. In summary, the 2-spindle versions offer our customers everything for a flexible, accurate and efficient tool production.